Okay guys, welcome today to the class with teacher Esteban. Alright, so we're going today to practice and I need you to listen and repeat. One more time, everybody. Listen and repeat with teacher Esteban. So repeat with me. Animals. Yes, look. Animals. We're going to practice about the vocabulary about animals. Repeat. That's correct. Animals. Yes, so the number one. What is that? An elephant? Oh. Yes? No. It's a meow. What is that? It's a cat. The pronouns. Cat. Cat. Okay? That's the number one today. So we're going to practice that, but I need you to give me this. So attention. Small, big. The cat. Is it small or is big? I think it's small. Yes. There are more big animals. Alright. Continue. Now, what is that? Yes? What is that? It's a chicken. Pew, pew, pew. Oh, chicken. Alright? The chicken, big or small? What is that? Small? Nah, big. Big. The chicken is big. Alright? Chicken, repeat. Chicken. Chicken. Alright? Now we continue with the other animal. My favorite animal. Look at that dog. It's beautiful, no? The dog. What is the dog? Wow. Wow. Can you do? Repeat. Wow. Dog. Look. Dog. Woof, woof. The dog. Yes? In English. Dog. Alright? Now, we had what? Cat. Meow. The cat. Chicken. Quack, 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 quack. Yes? Pew, 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 pew. Chicken. The dog. Wow. Wow. Yes? And this is what? Interesting, no? What is that animal? This animal is the animal called rabbit. Rabbit. What is a rabbit? Jump. Can you jump? Jump. 1, 2, 3. Jump. Rabbit. Repeat. Rabbit. Rabbit. Important to repeat. Come on, repeat. The rabbit. The chicken. Yes. Woof, woof. The dog. Meow. The cat. Okay. So can you repeat with me? One more time. One more time. The cat. Meow. The cat. Meow. Repeat. The cat. Meow. The chicken. Quack, 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 quack. What? The chicken? Quack, quack, quack. Oh, pio, pio. Alright? The dog? What is the dog? Woof. Dog. And the rabbit? Rabbit, jump. Jump, okay? The rabbit jumps. And the fish. This is the fish. What is the fish? Swim, no? In the water. Swim. Oh, ton, 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 ton. Yes? Fish. Swim. Fish. Okay? And the last one is what? The turtle. The turtle is slow. Turtle. Yes, slow. Alright? Turtle. So it's important to be repeating constantly, okay? Turtle. Repeat. Turtle. Turtle. Teacher. Slow. Slow motion, you see? Turtle. Turtle. Repeat. Turtle. Okay? Now, this one. What? Fish. The fish swims. Yes? In the water. Alright? What is this one? What? Oof, oof. Yes? No. Rabbit. What? Jumps. Very good. The dog. Woof. Very good. Chicken. Quack, 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 quack. Very good. Cat. Meow. Alright, very good. So I need you to now to stop here the video and repeat. Okay, para el video acá, para el video aquí y quiero que practiques cada una de las palabras, ¿vale? Vas a parar el video aquí en este momento y vas a repasarlo. ¿Listo? Cat. Repeat. Cat. Cat. Chicken. Chicken. Dog. Rabbit. Fish. Turtle. Remember to repeat. ¿Listo? You can stop it here. Super important. Stop here. Turtle. Turtle. Slow. Turtle. Yes. Fish. Swim. So the turtle is big. It's not small. Big. Small. No, it's small. Big. The turtle is big. The fish is small. Small. No big. Small. Okay. The rabbit is small. The dog, yes, is big. The chicken is big. And the cat is small. Right? So I need you now to stop there and repeat. Okay? Now the other students, you're going to follow me. Okay? Now it's time for the other students to listen. Okay? You listen and repeat with me. Right, we had the cat, no? So when it's singular, just one cat. Yes? One cat. We say the cat is what? Big or small? Big, small. So the cat is big or small. So that is when it's one. But if it's plural, we put a s. Cats. Yes, 2 cats, 3 cats, 4 cats. Yes, imagine that, but no 1, 4. 1, 2, yes, 3, 4 cats. So the cats are big or the cats are small. Repeat. One cat is big. One cat is small. Important to repeat. Okay? Cats. The cats are big or the cats are small. Okay? Important that. Now, what is this? What? Chicken. Excellent. Now we're gonna change it here and we're going to write chicken. Chicken. One. Look. One. But imagine 2, 3, 4. So what have to do? Plural. Chickens. 2 chickens, 3 chickens, 4 chickens. Yes, chickens. So the chicken, big or small? Big or small? What? Big. So the chicken, repeat, the chicken is big. Okay? Now, chickens, plural, 2, 3, 4, 5. The chickens are big. The chickens are big. 2 chickens, 3 chickens, 1 chicken. 2, 3, 4, 5. Chickens are big. Big. Okay? Chickens are big. Now, what is this animal? Dog. One dog. In plural, 2, 3. Dog? No, dogs. Dogs. 1 dog, 3 dogs. Okay, so we change it here. Dog. One dog. So the dog is big or is small? The dog is small. Is small. Okay, the dog is small. But now dog is small. The dog is small, singular. Now the dog, 1, but 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The dogs. The dogs are big or small? Big or small? The dogs are small. 1, 2, 3. Dogs are small. Okay? So that's important to repeat. So I need you to finish with rabbit. Okay? With fish. Plural and singular. Turtle. Okay? You need to repeat. Alright? Remember, big, small. The turtle is big. The fish is small. The rabbit is small. Okay, so it's important to repeat it all. Okay guys, bye bye. See you next time. Remember to practice. We see you in class. See ya. Bye.